DQB or the DAMS question bank is a new feature that we have launched this year in DAMS. This DQB is available both in a print form as well as in a mobile interactive platform called as eMedicoz. And let me show you how it works. Now when you download the app eMedicoz and you click on the login button, you see a window like this. In that window you see a button where you see the DAMS logo highlighted for you. You click on that DAMS logo, log in with your username and password that you get when you join DAMS, either in a regular course or a foundation course. Whenever you join in a classroom program, either face-to-face or satellite, you get a user ID and password in your mobile which you use to log in into this course. Once you log in into the app, you will see a window like the basic window where you are able to see the feed, the videos and the courses. At the bottom, we click on the courses. When you click on the courses, you should be able to see a window like this where a question bank, a course called as a series of courses called as question bank is available for you. You click on see all and you will be able to see all the question banks available to you. For example, right now I can see the anesthesia and the anatomy question bank with me. When you click on that button, you will be able to see a window like this. In this, the important thing is that you have topic and chapter wise questions arranged in each subject with explanations for you. And you have to click on add to my course. When you click on add to my course, this course gets added into your course and you can access that through the sidebar in the courses section. In the my courses, this course gets added in your course. And when you click on that question bank and each chapter, you will see a window like this where you will have a question, 4 options, and you can interact with these choices. So in addition to the print version, on the online version, you can interact with the choices, you can mark your answer, see what is right, what is wrong, how many people have gotten what choices right or wrong, and you will also be able to access the explanation to that question. This is the unique resource that we have today, DQB. It comes in 4 volumes in the print section as well, and it is written by the DAMS faculty members. These are all authentic answers verified and checked by DAMS faculty. It comes in 4 volumes, volume 1 for first prof, volume 2 for second prof, volume 3 third prof, volume 4 final prof. I wish you all the best.